Dragons have to score 230. Shot. Oh, I hope there's a photographer. Took a lovely capture. What a start to these innings.
He was so ready for this, Sadiqullah.
The bat. You got to be proactive, and there's a good shot on the up. Over extra cover. Brings up the second boundary of the over. This is great stuff by Sadiqullah. So much under pressure. In the air, bisects the gap. Doesn't matter, as he goes all the way to bring up the first 6 of the Dragon innings with a magnificent hit on the up.
Ashpagiza. Not a ruthless hit, but a touch of class and poise. Accepting the pace once again that he has to be offered. And guiding the ball. This is a brilliant hit. Back to his country and deliver such wonderful shots. Or as we speak, not in great control, but the result is something he intended to achieve.
Not the way he intended, but he certainly take the result here. It's a top edge, and I think Abdul Rahman is very unlucky that this did not go straight up in the air. Luck favors the brave. Thick outside edge, or probably a top edge. I was wanting to go towards mid-wicket. The line was slightly outside the off stump. And certainly when the up first ball itself. Certainly he does. Finds the gap. Good timing. Good piece of fielding, and very unlucky. The field at Cow Point. He did the hard job, but couldn't stop it in the end.
If it's missing 3 people and going for 4, Yama needs to think twice before he bowls this one again.
Yeah, poor piece of wicket, that's for sure. In the air. Bowler says mine. The extra cover says mine. The bowler steadies himself and takes it. And sends off as well. Probably friendly banter. But in the end, that's something that we do not like to see being celebrated. Unfortunately, in my opinion. Bouncer. Beautifully played. Square leg in place. And Hashmatullah Shahidi opens his account with a massive 6 over square leg.
A shot that has sent a statement to the opposition. The fielder in the deep was there for a catch of this particular shot, but he took him on, believed in himself, gave it full throttle, and gained enough elevation to get it for Ashpagiza.
A lovely hit, middle of the bat. Don't think Hashmatullah Shahidi was expecting the ball to hit. Found the gap, and a valiant attempt at square leg, just not good enough to stop the boundary. Ends the 4th over.
ناصف موسازي شتون هغه سدي چې لوبې ته ښکلا ورکولی شي او دلته د ډیپ فاین لیګ فیلډر په سرکل کې او بال د 4 منډو لپاره د باونډرۍ په طرف حشمت الله شهیدي خپل فوم دوامداره ساتي او دلته کو لوبډلو ترمنځ نور احمد باندې دلته شاټ تر سره کوي حشمت الله شهیدي او بالکل 4 منډې
دومره شاته نه پکار اشمت شاهید ډیر خپک الله نور تاسو رس خستاړه ورکو خپل لوډلې ته بیک فوټ باندې روم جوړول تھرډ مین باندې سلوریزا فکر د محمد شهزاد
لو خیرتیا او زیرکتیا څخه کار اخلي محمد شهزاد ویلی دل چې ګورو دام ډیر ښه جوړ شوی دی او دلته د کیچ اپیل او دا هم آوټ شهزاد محمد دی خپل وکټ له لاسه ورکړه نور احمد په هغه څه چې مشهور دی په شل ورځو سیالیو کې وکټ ټیکنګ وکټ ټیکر بولر دی او دلته وکټ ترلاسه کوي او شهزاد محمد دی بالاخره
ګرتیا کې یو توپونه تر سره کوي
او دلته ایج ګورو چې ډیر په زړه پورې کیچ طارق ستانکزي له لوري او دلته نور احمد دویمه وکټ ترلاسه کوي او په ټوله کې دریم زیان
swings it straight down the ground
And straight down the ground for 4. What a start to the over. Noor has been absolutely sensational.
Of big stars, superstars of the Afghanistan cricket. Pulled away nicely. Gulbuddin Naib on the move now here. And deposits one nicely towards the corner for 4.
A glorious stroke from Gulbuddin. He is a big match player. Launches it downfield. That's a superb ball striking from Gulbuddin Naib. He's turning on the heat on the opposition. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant, Gulbuddin Naib.
Well, that's gone money over miles. It was full, it was in the slot and was there to be hit, and Gulbuddin Naib did all that. He swiveled across the line and deposited that over the boundary. A huge 6. A man with some big muscles. Easy pickings.
Gulbuddin Naib goes big. Tremendous stroke from Gulbuddin for 6.
Gulbuddin Naib doing what he best can do. It was another full delivery from the same man, Arab Gul Momin. In the slot. Up. Once again played that over the infield, and the ball will race away for 4 runs. Incredibly well executed from Gulbuddin Naib.
Glorious stroke, absolutely glorious Gulbuddin.
خروان کیچ ډراپ شوی دی یمار ابل لوري 14 منډې کړې وي او دلته د باونډریانو راتګ د څلوریزو شپږیزو او یو بل څلوریزه په 14 منډو اکانومي کې بالینګ تر سره کړ ورستیو کې د باونډریانو راتګ پس د پورې دی او دغه دواړو توپوهونکو اشمت الله شهیدي او ګلبدین نایب چټک کړی دی د منډو اپروچ د منډو راتګ څلور
لوبغاړي دي هیڅ موقع د لاسه نه ورکوي بالکل سټریټ باندې لو بول کیږي په زړه پورې سټریټ ډرایو څلور منډې
دوه پرله پسې څلوریزې د کپتان اشمت
هڅه کوي عبدالرحمن ګلبدین نایب ته اوه شاټ میډ وکټ شپږیزه په زړه پورې شاټ د ګلبدین نایب په بشپړه توګه دغه ډالۍ څخه ګټه پورته کوي
ډېر ګټور و د عبدالرحمن چې په شپږیزې سره پای ته ورسېده په څلوریزې سره پای خو په شپږیزې سره پای ته ورسېده سلو یې ترسره کړه ګلبدین نایب چمتو په ډیپ میډ وکټ کې د شپږو منډو لپاره پاور د ګلبدین نایب چټک لاسونه شپږ دیش سټرایک ریټ سره بیټینګ ترسره کړی دی او بهترینه په زړه پورې نور وایي چې اوټ او بالاخره کپتان اشمت شهیدي په نهه څلوېښتو منډو باندې خپله وکټ له لاسه ورکړه او څه ته چې اړتیا وه بوس لوبډلې اړتیا ورته لرله نور احمد دغه کار وکړ او بریک ترې وکړه دغه پارتنرشپ یې مات کړ
بالکل ملت نور لکڼوال بیرته شاته نه دي کتل یا ماره اوهو توپ د لانګان باونډري څخه د باندې شپږیزه اوهو ډېر اعلی ډېر په زړه پورې ښکلی شاټ
ښه پیل نه دی د امار عبد دغه دوهم سپیل او ته باید مخکې ونه کړې سلاټ کې ونه کړې دغه ډول پیاوړي ګلبدین نایب ته په یاد یې ولرئ همدغه امار عبد یو ایزي کیچ ډراپ کړی و د ګلبدین نایب په 14 منډو ولاړو هغې وخت کې او دلته ټرنینګ پوینټ دی هماغه کیچ په سردردي بدل دی د بوس لپاره یمار باید بیرته
دا ځل بیا هم توپ له بول کېږي او دلته بالکل څلوریزه نه توانېږي الله نور ناصري چې دغه څلور منډې راوګرځوي ګلبدین نایب کې بریالی کېږي که څنګه او ډېر سینسیبل کرکټ ډېر په زړه پورې پنځوسیزه دا مهال ګلبدین نایب یو ښه پرېکړه وکړه بیا هم خپل غبرګون ښیي او خپل د مټو هغه ځانګړی
او له هغې چانسه استفاده وکړه لیګ سټمپ ته خراب بال بېکاره بال او کله چې ګلبدین نایب ښه بال سټرایک کولی شي ښه بال وهلی شي دغه ډول توپونه ورته اسانه دي تر څو یې در باونډرۍ ورسوي دا ځل موقع ده او څومره په زړه پورې بهترین او دا بل څوک نشي کېدی نور احمد دی سلایډ سره څومره ښه یې راواخیست میډل سم نه و دغه بال د اسیب موسازي له لوري او طارق ستانکزي وشو کولی وکټ ترلاسه کړي خو کریډټ ټول نور احمد ته ځي چا چې په زړه پورې کیچ ترلاسه کړ
5 striking at 228. Plays this in the air, straight into the hands of the fielder. And that is the big blow to the Bande Amir Dragons.
Just off your screens, there was a crash between Gulbuddin and the bowler. Don't think none of the players are hurt.
Only one run so far. What have we got? Does Pacha connect? Yes, Pacha connects. That's a big one. Siddiqullah Pacha sends this out for a maximum. We still got ourselves a game. 39 required.
Was a wrong one or not? That was a bad delivery by Noor Ahmed. Way too short on a slow pitch. Set up beautifully for Pacha.
Once again shot. Once again dispatched. Back-to-back sixes off the bat of Siddiqullah Pacha. We are still in the game, Bande Amir Dragons will think.
Considering the fact with Noor Ahmed's experience, these are two poor deliveries. Sitting up, lovely hit. And that occasion, it wasn't the wrong one.
Noor bowls this shot again, but that is high in the air. The wicketkeeper is called for it, Mubin, and he takes it. That's the comeback you'll expect from Noor Ahmed Lakhanwal. He delivers after a couple of sixes. Siddiqullah Pacha has to make the long walk back. Ghazanfar can hit the long ball, but he hasn't. He's been bowled out. Noor Ahmed, you beauty. Back-to-back wickets. And Bande Amir Dragons are in all sorts of trouble.
With that, probably the last nail of the coffin.
Nail in the coffin. Oh, the wicketkeeper has missed it. Everyone has missed it. That's run down to the boundary. Have we still... It was just one thing you were not supposed to do out of Gul Mohammad. But he misses. And he misses the wicketkeeper as well. Runs down to the boundary. That's 4 byes. I doubt if he's connected that.
Yeah, last two deliveries, quite poor.
Required of 2 deliveries. This time he bowls it to the pads. This time it goes to the boundary. Is that too little, too late?
I wouldn't say it the way Arabi's been bowled. That's 22 sixes and 35 boundaries combined by these two sides. Shows
Most defenders managing to put 212 for 5 in their allotted